for, Dad?
I'm looking for my coat, Tom.
You didn't lose it again, did you?
But we just got here. Why are we quitting already?
Whoa, bright.
Look at that view.
Is that an ocean view?
An ocean view.
Oh, look at that. You're right, it is an ocean view.
I'll be
Oh, there's a fly. Uh-huh.
There's not much there.
I know, but this is what it's all about here, people.
Look at
Drywall. Woohoo! Boy, oh boy, it looks so professionally done. Hey, Bob.
And next, I'd like to point out, notice the level lines, the screws indented just right.
Let's have a look at your finger, Bob.
And I had a little accident slicing my
Whoa,
finger.
is that blood all over your hand?
We managed to get it attached again. And I don't like that.
Well,
I wouldn't want to keep facing that wall.
well, I agree. That's we're redesigning the whole house. We had some good ideas, and we thought it would be a good idea to change it all around.
That's great. Let's have a look at the house with the drywall finished. And here's the two master carpenters who did the job. Larry what is it? Curly
Mo.
And
Mo.
Shep.
Checking it out.
This comes up here, that comes up there. I always thought an island was a waste. I mean, you have to go here, turn it on.
Bedrooms. Let's go see Jasmine's bedroom. Wow, it looks the same as everything else. Closet. Let's go see the studio. Studio. Oh, it looks the same as everything else. Master bedroom. Wow. No, bathroom's kind of dark. Bathtub.
Conceptually, that's as long as you're in the design mode. What you can have is the countertop here. Again, we're wasting space here for a second. Regular countertop.
Storage
And
room.
you know how tables open up
Laundry room.
leaves, where you can put leaves.
Downstairs.
If your countertop, how deep are countertops?
Mechanical room in there. Yeah. Front closet. And then the suite. Closet. Bathroom. And a big open room. Huge ceilings. That's about it.
Then I think you need a table that expands.
Yeah, either way, to get a table with like 8 people, that is a big table. There are tables,
Well,
have you seen the tables that are, how do they do that? My in-laws have one for their small apartment. It's like a table to eat on, and what happens is that there's top part of the table, the full depth of the table is maybe, the top part is, I don't know, 8 to 10 inches, and it has pieces on the side that are hinged that go all the way to the floor, and what you do is you open this thing up. And, you know, a table sort of, a leg sort of slides.
And so ends the tale of the hired help. The volunteer help.
Senor, I'm going back to Mexico. It's too cold up here. The may snow
Get your
your
ass
ass
out of here, never come back. Wages? What wages? Let's go, Tony.
Okay, well,
Outta
this
here.
is the
The exit, okay.
the
track
dramatic
it off.
the dramatic exit into the sunset.
Right. Is this all you paid me? That's a couple loonies.